Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have a HUAWEI Watch GT Runner 2 and today I'm going to show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. Unpairing could be useful if you want to connect your watch with another device or another account, or maybe you want to sell your watch to somebody or give it away to somebody. Basically anything that requires you to disconnect it from your phone and your account. So let's get started. So to unpair the watch, we need to open the HUAWEI Health application. Actually, let me reopen it. Okay, and once you open the application, tap on the devices, and here select your GT Runner 2 from the list of devices. Now, on this page, find the icon in the top right corner and tap on it. It will open the menu, and here you will see this option called Unpair Device. We want to tap on it. Tap on Unpair. And if you see this message, you can minimize or close the app for now. Go to settings on your iPhone. Go to Bluetooth. Tap on the tap on the info icon next to the Watch GT Runner 2. And then tap on Forget this device and Forget device. And once you do that, you can close the settings. Go back to the HUAWEI Health application. Check the box. Tap on OK. And the watch will disappear from the list. And if you go to your watch, open the quick panel, this icon will not be blue anymore and it will be it will be crossed out basically, which means that the watch is not connected with the phone anymore. And that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video any helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video, and see you in the next one.